The tiny workers are harvesting a giant mango. The sweet fruit shines like gold in the sun.
Viewers, take a look at these videos. They are absolutely incredible, and today I have brought another mini food generator niche for you that is currently trending and gaining massive views. Just look at these videos. Every single one is highly engaging, visually appealing, and already performing exceptionally well. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create these videos using a 100% free AI tool. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open Instagram and search for the channel called Mini Republic. This channel is absolutely amazing. If we look at its audience, it has over 239,000 followers, which is extremely impressive. Now, let's take a look at its reels. As you can see, one of their reels has reached an incredible 123 million views, which is absolutely massive. Another reel has over 5.4 million views, and many more reels have generated hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. This clearly shows that this niche is highly trending right now. In particular, the food-related content on this channel is performing exceptionally well. You can see that almost every food reel has received millions or hundreds of thousands of views. Today, I will show you exactly how to create this same style of food content step by step. Just look at these examples. They are fun, visually satisfying, and highly viral. Whether it's strawberries, mangoes, dry fruits, or other food items, this channel has created reels around almost every type of food, and many of them have gone viral. Now, let's create the same niche ourselves. The best part is that I already have a powerful master prompt prepared. This master prompt includes everything you need, including image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts. Everything is already built into a single prompt. All we need to do is copy the master prompt, then open ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. After that, simply click the Generate button. And just like that, boom! As you can see, ChatGPT has generated all of the image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts for us automatically. This is absolutely amazing. Take a look at each prompt one by one. Every prompt is unique, detailed, and specifically designed to generate high-quality results. I have included all the important details inside the master prompt to ensure the output is as professional as possible. Now let's quickly review all of the generated prompts. Once we've done that, I'll take you over to my image generation tool. Alright viewers, now I'm going to copy all of these prompts. After copying them, I'll open a website called Flow AI, which is completely free to use. First, I'm going to generate the images. I'll select the Nano Banana 2 model, choose the appropriate aspect ratio, and then paste my first prompt into the prompt box. After that, I'll click the Generate button. As you can see, my first image is now being generated. At this stage, all you need is a little patience. Simply wait for a few moments, and boom, the first image is now ready. Take a look at the result. It looks absolutely amazing. You can see miniature workers actively working inside the scene, and the overall image quality is incredibly impressive. Next, I'll copy the second prompt and paste it into the generator. After clicking Generate, you can see that the second image is also ready, and once again, the result looks fantastic. Now, I'll continue the same process for prompts 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'll simply copy each prompt, paste it into the tool, and generate the images one by one. And now, viewers, all of my images are ready. Take a look at the final results. They look absolutely incredible. Every image is unique, highly detailed, and professionally generated. The quality is outstanding, and the creativity of the results speaks for itself. Everything has turned out exactly as expected, and you can clearly see how powerful these prompts are. Now, I'll simply download all of the images in high quality. Once the downloads are complete, we'll move on to our next 100% free AI tool, the video generation tool. So let's go. Alright viewers, now simply open the tool called Digen AI, which is completely free to use. One of the best things about this platform is that it provides 150 free credits whenever you log in, making it a great option for beginners and content creators. Once you're inside the tool, select the R 3.1 Turbo model from the available options. Now, I'll upload my first image. After the image has been uploaded successfully, I'll go to the prompt section, copy my video prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. Then I'll simply click on the Generate button. As you can see, my first image has now started processing and is being converted into a video. At this stage, all you need is a little patience. Usually, it takes around 1 to 3 minutes for the generation process to complete. After waiting for a few minutes, the final result is ready. And there you go, viewers. My first video is now complete, and the result looks absolutely fantastic. You can see the quality, motion, and overall animation are incredibly impressive. Everything looks smooth, detailed, and professional. Now, I'll move on to the second image. I'll upload it, add the corresponding prompt, and once again click on the Generate button. As you can see, the second video is now being generated as well. Just give it a little time and let the AI do its work. And boom, my second video is now ready. If you ask for my personal opinion, I would say that Digen AI delivers outstanding results when it comes to AI video generation. The quality is impressive, the workflow is simple, and the fact that it's completely free makes it even better. So far, I have generated 2 videos using this tool, and once again, I want to emphasize that it is completely free to use. Now let's move on to our next AI video generation tool, Flow AI. Inside Flow AI, I'll select the VEO 3.1 Lite model for video generation. Then I'll simply drag and drop my images into the platform and start adding the video prompts one by one. I'll upload 3 to 4 images, assign the appropriate prompts to each one, and then click on the Generate button. As you can see, I've already submitted 3 to 4 video generation tasks. Some of them have already finished processing, while the remaining ones are still being generated. Again, all you need is a little patience. And boom, viewers, all 4 videos are now ready. Take a look at these results. The videos have turned out absolutely amazing. The animations are smooth, the movements are realistic, and the overall quality looks highly professional. Just look at how engaging and unique this niche is. The characters look fantastic, the scenes are visually appealing, and the overall concept is highly entertaining. If you start posting content like this consistently, there is a strong chance that it can perform extremely well because this niche is currently trending and attracting a lot of attention. You can clearly see how impressive these videos look. The characters, animations, and overall execution are all of exceptional quality. Now simply download all of your videos in 2K quality for the best possible results. Once everything has been downloaded, it's time to move on to the editing stage. For editing, I'll open CapCut. After opening CapCut, I'll import all of the generated videos into a new project. Then, I'll arrange them in the correct sequence to create a complete and smooth storyline. If any video contains a watermark or logo that needs to be removed, you can easily adjust the scale and positioning using the editing tools. And now, viewers, as you can see, my final video is completely ready. All that's left to do is click on the export button and save the project in high quality. And wow, viewers, the final result looks absolutely incredible. I truly hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. I also hope you liked the free AI tools that I shared with you throughout this tutorial. If you found value in this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support our work. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you new ideas, trending niches, and powerful AI tools. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting idea. Goodbye, and take care.